Welcome to my first road trip ever together with my Ford Focus RS. I'm currently in Germany at Classic Remise in Düsseldorf. There's a lot of special cars here, but there are also a lot of cars which aren't being driven, unfortunately. It's some kind of auto hotel and there are also some dealerships over there. We are heading towards Spa to the World Endurance Championship on Spa-Francorchamps. So we made a little stop over here at Düsseldorf in Classic Remise. There's also nice 308 GTS. It did pretty well on the Autobahn. It was really busy and a lot of traffic jams, but we finally made it. McLaren 620R. Quite a cool sight there. I literally just washed my car before leaving, but I already got a lot of flies on the Autobahn. The front is pretty dirty. A lot of flies died because of me. Anyway, let's go inside and check out the cars.
Welcome to Classic Remise, located in Düsseldorf, Germany. Between 1929 and 1931, this was used as a railway roundhouse, a building where locomotive maintenance took place. After the era of steam locomotives, it stood empty from the mid-1970s. In 2005, the current owners took it over from the Deutsche Autobahn, the German railway company. The restoration and renovation were carried out and Classic Remise was found in 2006. Since then there have been car and motorcycle garages, shops and glass boxes where the cars stay as a kind of a hotel. Which is actually very unfortunate because some cars have been collecting dust here for years without being driven.
Good morning guys, we just checked out at the hotel. Today we'll be heading to Spa with my Ford Focus RS. We are going to the WEC 6 Hours of Spa in Belgium. It's my first time there, I'm pretty excited. I don't know what to expect, but I will bring you guys along. We're currently 2 kilometers away from the Belgian border, so it's the last time we can test out the Autobahn. So let's drop a gear or two. 170, 80, 90, 200. We're currently a few kilometers away from Spa-Francorchamps. My brother is now getting his media accreditation. There's a lot of cars on this parking, a lot of fun cars. So let me take you with you and I will show you. Beautiful 992 GT3. 992 GT3 RS. Wow. The spec. Brand new GT63 AMG. Cool design. Cool Megane RS in jaune serieux. Beautiful color. Another GT3 991.1. The 3.8 liters. The 991.2 has a 4.0. Beautiful. A Supra, which was actually driving behind me. 992 Carrera Cabrio. This GT3 RS, oh man, this spec, this is lovely. My car is over there, my Ford Focus RS. Another A45S AMG with 421 HP. Sport exhaust, opening. next to my car. Wow. Name a better view than this. In the morning, there's the accreditation center. It's quite busy. I really can't get over this spec. Amazing. Wow. So this one is actually painted in Azzuro Thetys Metallic paint to sample. I believe it's a Lamborghini or Ferrari color originally. It also has the painted Weissach parts, which look really good. I love this spec. Oh my god. After 3-4 hours we're finally here. We arrived at Spa. We're currently at the media parking, which is pretty cool, filled with cars. Parked next to the same Supra. Another Supra Mark V with a very interesting color. That's pretty special. I've never seen that before. Another 992 GT3 RS finished in racing yellow. Currently checking the parking under the paddock. Let's start off with this RS4 B9 Quattro, and over there is something really cool. At first sight it may look like a GT3 Touring, but there's something really special about this car. Let me take you to the back of the car. It's, by the way, a really boring spec and only black, but a 911 ST, only 1963, will be built for the 60th anniversary of Porsche. Cool car, but boring spec. And another really cool find, the Ferrari Purosangue in blue Corsa, the 725 HP SUV with the suicide doors opening this way. The color on this Purosangue is quite insane. I've been to the launch of the 296 GTS, which was also presented in this color, blue Corsa, and really cool on a Ferrari Purosangue. I love it. A Mercedes GT63 S E-Performance with 843 horsepower next to an Urus Performante in Verde Turbine. This color was actually presented on the Huracan STO, if I say it right. An Aston Martin DBX 550, just a stock, the default DBX, but it's still a really cool SUV. I love the design of it, but the DBX 707 is even better. I like that very much. Not very special, but still cool. Golf GTI 8 Club Sport with about 300 horsepower on the front wheels. And a Hyundai i30N, which I actually wanted to buy instead of my Ford Focus RS, but I found my perfect Ford Focus RS, so I didn't buy the i30N. And if I bought it, it will be in performance blue, which is a very nice color on the i30N. It remains an undercover ST, no stickers or liveries or whatsoever. It just looks like a normal GT3 Touring. To be honest, I thought it was a GT3 Touring until I saw the back and the badges. I didn't expect that over here. The Lamborghini Super Trofeo already ended, so all the teams are leaving. But there are still some nice cars that I want to show you. Let me first show you this GT2 RS behind me, which is powered by a 3.8 liter twin turbo producing 700 horsepower on the rear wheels only, with a beautiful Weissach pack, by the way. Weissach gold wheels, they look really good. But they are a bit cursing with the PCCB, which are the Porsche ceramic brakes finished in yellow. And also the red interior is a bit not matching with the car. But this car is a real track tool. So this is the Huracan Super Trofeo Evo 2, I believe. And they already raced it in the class that has already ended. So all the teams are leaving, are heading home or to the next race. This thing is a monster. Fully carbon. Pretty insane. Look at that. There must be good fuel, I think. Cool lineup of some more Lamborghinis. Huracan STO, Storado, Technica and another Sterrato, also in Verde Turbine by the way. And yet another Sterrato in Verde Turbine in front of a Urus Performante finished in Viper Green, which is originally a Porsche paint to sample color, but it looks really good on the Urus.
Have you ever seen a Lamborghini in such a color? This STO is painted in blue hull, which is a color that costs $62,000. Not quite pretty, but very impressive to see.
And a huge accident.
Yeah, these cars are so long, and he's underestimated the length of the overhang of the rear of the car, and I've seen this happen quite a few times on that straight actually.
That was a horrible impact.
It's a couple of hours later now, we're leaving, we're heading to home. There was a pretty big crash, so there was a red flag. They're still standing in the pit lane right now. I didn't have any expectations, so it was very cool for the first time. Hopefully we will not take 4 hours to get home, but we'll see. Let's go. This is insanely dirty. Look at that. Oh, the mirrors too. Time for a wash. That's really better this way. I washed the car and it's a lot better. I see a flyer or something, I don't know what it is, on my G on the license plate. My windshield is still dirty. There are a lot of flies on it, also from the inside. It's really annoying, especially if you're driving. I don't know how to remove them, but I think I'll have to do it by hand, which is actually not a problem. Anyway, the car's clean now, so it's much better this way. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you have any feedback for me. It was my first video ever. I'm now going to record my first video that is going to be uploaded on my channel, which is with my Ford Focus RS. So please let me know if you have any feedback. I really try my best. It was the first time I'm ever doing this, so the videos will only be better and better. But anyway, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.